Now here's how we can approve downloads on the iPhone. Let me show you how it could work. If you're new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So there are two parts of this. So at first you can go to the screen time section of the phone, especially if you're setting it up for someone else. And in there, you can manage all of the limits and restrictions. So you can go to the content and privacy restrictions, and you can go to the iTunes and App Store purchases. And when it comes to installing or downloading apps, you can decide that it's going to be either allowed or not allowed, right? So that is how you can decide if it actually is possible to begin with. However, for specifically approving downloads, there is a feature which is called Ask to Buy, and it is made by Apple. It's obviously built into the software, and the way that it works is that it is only part of the family sharing. So the family sharing, when it is set up, the family organizer can turn it on. So when the child wants to make an eligible purchase or a download, for example, getting an app from the App Store, you will get a notification and you will have to decide if you approve it or decline it. So you're going to get a pop-up in your messages, and you'll see which type of app is about to be downloaded, and you can click on approve or decline. And that is the thing behind it. That is a security feature, which makes sense. And that is how you can approve the downloads before they are actually downloaded on to that device. So as I said, it has to be set up through the family sharing, so that is the prerequisite. But once you do it this way, then it should definitely work and get the job done. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. For now, that's it, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.